Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women necklace designs, different color, different designs, different ideas, same color also, and combinations also in front of you. Most attractive, most amazing for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive and stylish also, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman necklace designs and others like crochet woman earrings, bracelets, finger rings and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs and other things like crochet baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, men cap designs, women cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and women cap, shawl, caplet, poncho designs, and scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, circular jacket designs, and open jacket designs, sweater designs, and long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, garter dresses, and other things, many more things. So dear friends, you can contact me or anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos. So try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives, then they also enjoy this video like you. Now goodbye till the next video, see you soon.